How do I create an XLOOKUP? In this dataset, information is managed in a single Excel spreadsheet or workbook to keep it simple. To determine the values for the field food source, the Excel formula is, that is, look up the value of column A in this sheet, in this case, Shakma Baboon. Go to column A in the sheet Animals and return the first matching value in column D. For Shakma Baboon, it is omnivore. When the data is stored in different Excel spreadsheets, use the formula. You are still looking up the value of column A in this sheet, but you are moving to another spreadsheet called File and a worksheet called Sheet. Go to column A and return the first matching value from column D. In summary, if you want to see the data values for an anchor field that are stored on another sheet or Excel file, you can use the XLOOKUP formula to achieve and display the matching information.